Ole! Welcome back, my dudes, and the two girls that watch my channel. I'm back. I know. It took me over a year to come back for a new video, but this time is gonna be for real.
Here we go again.
This time is gonna be stronger, faster, wiser, and hopefully wealthier, because this is all it's gonna be about. As you may notice, Cryptoshi is the new name of the channel, and we are gonna discuss a lot of things in the cryptocurrency area. I believe it's very important to go over a few stuff that you need to know in order to start investing, maybe start trading, and hopefully start making some money with your investments. Okay, so now, in my experience of almost 2 years, I can say that I have learned a thing or two in the cryptocurrency space, and I believe that it's very important for all of us to get a feel of what this is about, how the cryptocurrency is gonna innovate the financial space, and how you can actually profit for being early. I believe that you should not be left out. You should not stay with the, let's say, people that don't want to change, people that don't want to learn something new, people that don't want to get involved with the new things, with the new technologies. So I feel like it's very important for you to get to know all the ins and outs of this new innovation, I would say. And it's yeah, over here we have a little bit of red. This is CoinMarketCap. It's a very nice tool for beginners. You can see here a lot of coins, a lot of stats. You can do some research and see exactly what's about the coin maybe you have heard from somewhere else. Now, going forward, what can you do as a total beginner in order to not get scammed, in order to start investing the right way, is to do a few things. And I'm gonna lay out the steps in this video. Also, the next videos, I'm gonna go in depth with some tools, with some options that you have in regards of exchanges and so on. But for now, I'm just gonna present a small overview of the whole beginning phase. First of all, you have to know that in order to put your money, your dollars, your euros, or what other currency you're using into crypto, you gotta use an exchange. My number one recommendation for the exchange is Binance.com. Of course, this is not allowed in the US, but you can use Binance.us. If you don't want to use, of course, with some limitations, but if you don't want to use this, we also have as a recommendation the Coinbase.com. It's a very great website and app, very friendly with the beginners, but they don't have all the features that Binance will present. As another option, we have FTX, which is, I would say, the recommendation if you don't want to use Binance. They all have all kind of trading stuff and so on, but this is for a power user. And I believe that as a beginner, you just have to create an account at one of these three platforms. Just hit register. You have to input your personal information. I believe that for all these exchanges, they require KYC. And you will probably hear more about KYC. It stands for Know Your Customer. That means the exchange will have access to your personal information, to your proof of address, just like you open up an account to a normal bank, for example, Wells Fargo or Bank of America. You have to provide all this information so they know you are a real person and you're not creating multiple accounts to scam, I don't know, other people's, or I don't know what kind of heist you have in mind. But this is a good thing. So your first step is to create an account, get verified, and just browse around into this account and see what do they have, what they offer, how the wallet is looking, and so on. The second step on our today's presentation is what we call a digital wallet. If you open an account with something like Binance.com, an exchange platform which is centralized, you will have a wallet that will be integrated in the platform, meaning that the exchange platform will own the money for you. They will keep the money for you, exactly like the bank does for you. If you have money on your card, you don't actually have it on you. The bank has it. It keeps it in there, it stores it for you, and you have access to it, of course, with limitations for daily withdrawals or daily payments, but they keep it for you. That's exactly what Binance does. They keep the crypto for you. But for example, if you want to keep the money, so in this case, if you want to keep the cryptocurrency, you will use something like a wallet, a digital wallet. This wallet can be something like an extension in your browser or maybe an application. Of course, you can download digital wallets that will install on your Windows or Mac PC, but as a user-friendly app, I would say that you can start with Metamask. The website is metamask.io, and you can install it as an extension, as I have it right here on my right hand corner. I have the Metamask that will show, once I log in, the amount of coins I have. And having this wallet lets you interact with different websites. For example, if you want to purchase another thing or an NFT, or maybe you want to exchange with another coin, having it on your digital wallet and connecting to that website will allow you to do these things. But as a comparison, having your cryptocurrency on a digital wallet like Metamask is like having your money on in your wallet, like having your money in cash. Okay, going on, we can look at another option. This is the Trust Wallet. It's a very good app for your phone if you want to store your coins on your phone on the digital wallet. We will talk in a future video the advantages and disadvantages of keeping your coins on the exchange. But the main thing is that you don't own the coins if you have them on the exchange. I mean, you own it, but you don't have it because it's not your wallet, it's the platform's wallet. Like this, like having a Trust Wallet or Metamask wallet means you own and you keep the cryptocurrency. That's the bottom line. Another option that you have is if you will buy, for example, a ledger. This is a cold wallet. It's like a USB stick. You will plug it into your PC, and then you will interact with different applications, exchange crypto coins, and afterwards you will unplug it and you have it as a cold storage, meaning that it's not connected to the internet, it's not connected to the blockchain once you unplug the USB. In this way, your funds are a lot safer. This being said, I think we have talked about a few things. What you have to do is create an account on an exchange platform like Binance or Coinbase or FTX, and afterwards create a digital wallet for yourself. This is the innovation. This is what it will let you interact with the different applications on the blockchain. Afterwards, we can look at different tools that we can use. Tools like CoinMarketCap that will let you find whatever coin you want. For example, if you heard about Shiba Inu, then you have the Shiba Inu coin over here. It will let you see a lot of things like the official website, the contract address, the price for this day, for a month, for a year ago, different information, and maybe where you can buy it. On the market tab, you can see that it's available on the Binance exchange. Different things. We're gonna get into it. There's no rush to it. And afterwards, we can talk about different charts, like on the TradingView website, to see exactly in which direction the Bitcoin chart will go, for example. But this is more advanced stuff. I think this is enough for today, and I hope I'm gonna see you in the next video. We are going to most probably install the MetaMask wallet on a new web browser and set it up the right way. For example, you have to do a few steps. You have to add the different chains over here, and I'm gonna explain it all in the next video, so I'm not gonna get into all the details right now. But I'm very pumped up. I'm very excited about all the good things that I want to share to you, because I believe I can offer you my true opinion, my true insight, because I don't feel like showing to you the coins I invest in will actually have a pump and dump effect, so I don't get to gain nothing from this. I don't sponsor any platform or application or product, so this is just my honest opinion, and I truly believe that if you follow a few steps, if you get ahead of the herd, you will probably benefit in the long run. See you in the next one.